What's your step, baby? Guys, it is no joke. You're out here, you really have to pay attention. Another thing, make sure you bring your sunblock and plenty of water, because goodness, you're gonna get your steps in and it gets so hot. Look at the view. More structures. Slowly making our way out, but look at this view. Look at that edge. Oh, hold up. Another step. Really have to pay attention. I think during our walks through Machu Picchu, I think I've seen like 5 people almost like, because they weren't paying attention, almost fall over trying to take a picture. So just make sure, just be mindful of your surroundings and just enjoy the experience. Like, yeah, it's cool taking a picture, but just stop and try to enjoy the experience as well. Alright, with that, I'm out.